Have you ever wondered what the real difference is between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera? If you're buying your first camera or just trying to make the most of your current gear you already own, you've probably seen both terms everywhere, but which one is actually better? Let's try to break this down into plain English. A DSLR, or digital single lens reflex camera, uses a mirror inside the body to reflect light from the lens up front to the optical viewfinder in the back. Now when you press the shutter, the mirror flips up and the sensor captures the light. It's a proven design, rugged, reliable, and used by professionals for literally decades. DSLRs capture the same high-quality images as mirrorless cameras do, but the biggest difference is how you see your scene before you shoot. But what about mirrorless cameras? As the name suggests, mirrorless cameras have no internal mirror, and it's a newer technology. Light goes straight in through the lens all the way to the image sensor, and you compose your shot using a digital screen or electronic viewfinder instead of seeing the view through a mirror. Now, that might sound like a very small change, but it does make a very big difference. With a mirrorless camera, you can do all kinds of different things. You can see your exposure, color, and white balance in real time before you even shoot. You can review the photo instantly without moving the camera, which reduces glare and speeds up your decision making after you took the photo. You can enjoy faster burst speeds and sharper autofocus, especially with newer models. And many offer in-body image stabilization, helping to reduce blur even without a tripod. Plus, with adapters, many mirrorless systems let you use older DSLR lenses so you don't have to start from scratch. So, you might be asking, which one's better? Well, if you want portability or cutting-edge tech and real-time previewing, mirrorless is your best bet. But if you want a longer battery life, access to tons of affordable lenses, and a lower cost entry, the DSLRs are still a great choice, especially for beginners or if you're budget conscious. Now, the bottom line is both systems take amazing photos. It just depends on what matters most to you, the way you shoot and what you shoot, and how much flexibility you want in the future. So if you're curious to learn more photography terms like this, click the link in the video description to visit our glossary.